I've got a blotter, and instead of blotting, I'm like, hey guys, you have McGann, and I am trying really hard to keep up with doing my makeup on camera, but kind of a spacing issue, not sure how this is gonna go. I'm doing a lip scrub right now. How long am I even supposed to leave this on? It doesn't say. But I've got one of these NYX hashtag this is everything lip scrub. It tastes really bitter though, so I don't know for sure that it's edible. I'm sure it's safe-ish because it goes on your lips, but it tastes really bad. Is it a slam if it's honest? Ugh, I gotta wash my hands. I know I need a Batman hand towel in my bat room here. But I'm doing my makeup today because I really want to get on film a lot more on the Fangirl, but I really hate doing that now that I have such a big audience because people are not really kind over the internet. Oh wait, I'm supposed to get this wet. And I'm already so frustrated. Okay, this is a primer. Okay. I was like, this looks awfully clear. I've got the Ulta Beauty brand Poreless Face Primer, mineral oil free and paraben free. And yes, you are hearing Archer freaking out over in the other room for no reason other than to just do it. I don't know how much I'm really supposed to use. Whew, it has a definite odor to it. I mean, it's not really a bad odor, it's just a little bit strong. I'm gonna have all these companies after me by the end of this video, like, excuse me. I've got a blotter, and instead of blotting, I'm like, I am not good at things. But yeah, where was I? An e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. I was pretty happy with this last time. Am I supposed to let the primer dry? There's no directions on anything. Well, there is on this, okay. Oh wait, it's medication? It says clean the skin thoroughly before applying medication. Huh, I wonder if I'm just supposed to put it on my acne or if this is like true foundation, because this is the only foundation I have right now. Is it my sponge? Maybe it's my sponge that smells strange because this smells... Yeah, I don't smell it in the bottle, but I keep putting this up to my face and like, there's something I'm smelling. It's not really bad, but it's like almost like an oily or an alcoholish kind of smell. But yeah, I'm really trying to get more of a face presence and be more on the Fangirl for branding reasons. And you know, I think the next time I change the icon, oh, that was way too much. A ridiculous amount, but next time I change the icon on the Fangirl, I think I want to do it just like me, not like any images or logos, just like, hey, it's a picture of me and I'm fangirling and I feel comfortable and confident enough to show my face and not want to die afterwards. I'm really not at that point right now though, so that's why, I mean, there's two reasons why I don't show my face. Is one, it's not a very good looking face, so I don't want the hater feedback from that. And then two, which might be the bigger reason, but I script everything I do now. I didn't in the first few videos I did, and then I kept forgetting things I wanted to say. And then when you re-record to add stuff back in, it never quite sounds right, so I try to get it all in one take, even if I have to say the same line 40 times in a row. And to do that successfully involves me scripting out every single line I say. Every video I probably ad-lib a little bit, a couple lines, but it's not a ton and it's not very often. Like jokes and everything. I try to get all of that down before I physically start recording, otherwise I start forgetting things. I'll tell you what, I've been using Proactive for at least 2 weeks and I've still got like little zits everywhere. I'm having them pop up. Like I usually never get them above this area. They're always just like in here, and for some reason now they're expanding. Yay! Beautiful me! Alright, I'm gonna try and do my eyebrows with my handy dandy mirror here from the Dollar Tree, because we ain't fancy. Alright, let's see if I can remember. My friend told me like here? No, I gotta freehand it. I'm sorry. I'm just an artist at heart and my eyebrows look a shambles anyways because I've been trying to let them grow back in so I can reshape them, so they are just super ugh to me right now. I feel like this is not a very positive video. Like, I always try to be very positive and body positive and you do you, there's no wrong you, but I'll tell you what, it's something I do not always feel for myself. Maybe that's why I talk about it so much, because I know I don't really have it so well and I want other people to not feel that way. So much easier to do one side than the other, but I think I think I've got these okay balanced. Although why does it look so, it looks like I shaved up here. It's so red and raw, but I didn't. I haven't done anything to my eyebrows in like weeks and they're all weird, like some teenager's beard. Primer, foundation, eyebrows. I guess I'll do my eyes next. Now the weird thing, I've gotten some advice from some friends. They told me put the eyeliner on after the eyeshadow. I always did it, you know, first. That was the first thing I did. I feel like once you put this on, you do not want it to come back off. Oh, and this was an e.l.f. brown pencil, if anybody's curious. But this is a Too Faced chocolate bar palette and I love this thing. I'm a little bit obsessed with it. I'm gonna need my brushes though. In my gorgeous brush cup. I've gotten a few more since the last time. Okay, let's see if I can do anything symboling something that looks decent. Let's try some champagne truffle and I can't see. Okay, I said champagne truffle. I'd already forgotten which one I dipped in. Is the champagne truffle? Okay, I can do this, I think. Man, I really like the way it came on that eye and I bet you it's not gonna do the other eye the same way. I can never repeat success. Not on YouTube, not in life, definitely not in makeup. So lower your expectations of me, Mom. Yeah, I am living proof that even in your 30s you can have mommy complexes. Alright, I didn't really think this through on what I wanted to do. I swear I see other people using this and the pigment looks so strong and then I put it on and it's like, oh, I can't even tell it's there. Let me try. I've got a little bit of an idea creatively here, but I'm more of a painter than I am a makeup person. What I'm probably gonna do is end up looking really stupid. You ever notice you try to close one eye to put the eyeshadow on and then you get all these little veiny bits because the other eye's wide open. Like you can close both eyes but one eye and you like pop eye over here. At least I hope other people have this issue. Like I'm never really sure how far out to go. I have no clue what I'm doing. I need more experience. But I guess that's what this channel's for, isn't it? See, I feel like I love this purple color, this candied violet, but I feel like the way I'm putting it on looks like I'm getting a black eye. Like, I really like blues. Blues are usually not any indicator of being beaten. And there's Archer still going off. Woohoo! Apparently didn't give him enough to do before I came in here. Alright, let me try again with the strawberry bonbon. Maybe I can get this pink a little more pinky. Yeah, no, it's just like not having it with me. People are like blend and I'm like, how? Maybe. I feel like this is gonna get a dangerous game of, okay, let me touch up this side, let me touch up that side. Man, I need to study with some MUAs really badly. Yeah, something like that. It's like, okay, this side looks okay and this side looks like, ma'am, should we call somebody? Let's see if I can do the eyeliner now. Lower your expectations. I don't know what he's doing in there, but I just hear thank you, thank you, thank you. At least he's polite with whatever it is. What am I using? Okay, I'm using an e.l.f. What are these? Eyeliners. And I'm really liking this ultra fine point. I don't think I've ever had one that worked with me this easily. All this so I can be on the Fangirl for 10 seconds at the beginning of a video. You know what? I should just start singing at the end of all my Disney videos. Make it a theme. Oh no! The more I try to fix it, the worse I make it. Yes, dear, you have to close your other eye to put the eyeliner on. Don't know why I have to explain this to myself, but I do. This is going horribly wrong. I'll just add an extra lash over there. That seems easier. Yeah, I feel like this came out awful. I know, Archer. That's what I look like now too. This is both our lives now. Hey! How did you do that? I thought I shut the door. Come here. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Come here. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh, you're so cute. Mwah.
Hey.
Ew, what?
Hey.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why don't you go play with your cars, okay?
Cool.
Oh, you see the helicopter I washed off. Okay, you can have it. Go take it to your room. You're welcome. Nice job saying thanks. No, Mommy needs a timeout. Mommy needs some mommy time. I'm gonna go into my daughter's IEP meeting later today and they're all gonna, what the heck? That's okay. If I'm not getting judged by other mothers, am I even really a mother? Oh my. This is not great. Man, I can't see anything. Yeah. I'm gonna try a little bit more with the coloring. I'm gonna try marzipan and cherry cordial. See if that gives me a little bit. Yeah, that's got a good bit more color on it. Or at least more shimmery shininess. Archer's over there saying I love you bye to his cars. We'll pretend this is what blending looks like. Oh my gosh. All this just to be in 10 seconds of a YouTube video and maybe sing at the end. I think I will start singing more just to have an excuse to look this good, darn it. I am so frustrated with YouTube. Like, they have been on the warpath with almost every channel I've done. I mean, way back when they hated my channel and there were troubles, and then I made the Fangirl, and now after having some success on YouTube, they're taking it away because old people are annoyed that theory videos are on there. And then while I'm in the middle of trying to deal with the best route to handle that, what happens? Oh well, haha, now we're attacking kid videos too because YouTube won't tell parents to be accountable and watch their flippin' kids. YouTube is free. It is not a free babysitter. That does not void you of responsibility of watching your own children. Okay, I think they're kind of even. I think it's just the lighting that makes it look like a shadow on the side, not on the other, but whatever. I'm putting my glasses back on. Now I've got one of my cheek brushes, or so I've been told, and I think that's what I need to use for the bronzer. Got an NYX 3-step to sculpt. I think I know how to do this, maybe, but probably not. See, when I put on makeup, I don't feel more attractive at the end. I feel like I look like a plasticky, rubbery mess. Like, I do not look real. Yeah, I guess at this point my camera is a closer mirror than the mirror, so I'm not good at this. I can draw you a person, no problem. But you want me to be a real person? Oh, madam, no. You know not what you ask. I'm just kind of guessing around here. I have no clue if I'm doing this anywhere close to correct. There's a reason I call this the warts and all channel. Warts and all. My Sephora palette here. Yeah. I'm gonna just try something. Should probably do that in the other direction, but look at me. I guess I'm committed. I gotta do it both ways now on the same side. You're gonna screw it up evenly so people think that it was on purpose. Oh, I can really see the highlight on that one. Is it too much highlight? I feel like I did it like army makeup, like the black under eye makeup. Like, I don't think I did this highlighter correctly. Oh well. Don't judge the makeup by what I can do with it. Oh shoot, I was gonna totally put on mascara. Now watch me poke myself in the eye 50 times. I'm gonna try to use the camera mirror. Ugh, I hate this. It's like I can feel it brushing my eye even though the thing is not touching my eye. Okay, I think I got it on. So I'm sure I'm supposed to be doing like this the whole way through, but that is horrifying. Oh, and that was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. In case you were curious. Brows, my eyes, my cheeks, just my lips, I think. And so for that, I have got the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Christmas Cookie. The most expensive lipstick I have ever owned. I hate my mole. It is in the worst place. Like, at least if it was right here, it would really look like a mole. And people would stop trying to tell me I have herpes when I've had that like my whole life. Actually, at one point in high school, I dug that mole out and it just came back. So I think it's here forever. Alright, my friend taught me this trick to make sure the lipstick don't get on your teeth. You just go... Which... totally gross, but... And then I tapped myself in the nose. Did you see that? That was classy. I want to cover this spot. Cover. Ugh. You can feel the anxiety building in me, maybe. I'm like not prepared. It doesn't bother me to be on camera in this channel, on the Fangirl IRL, because like nobody's watching this yet. Alright, I'm gonna put on some e.l.f. Flawless face powder to set all this beautifulness. Oh, I don't need a brush. It has its own little bit. And I found this like hidden in the weirdest place, so I don't know if this is something I just bought recently or if this has been hiding out for years. The color is ivory though, and I seem to be horrible at matching my skin color, so let's see how I do. Oh, does everybody do their lips? I always do my lips, but powder everywhere. I don't know. I assume I'm supposed to powder my eyeshadow. I have no idea. You guys just keep the tips coming in. Well, how'd I do this time? Better? Hope so. I guess that's really it. I'm gonna go film for the Fangirl now, and if you see that video, tell me nice things. Almost dropped my powder. It flipped in my hand. See you next time.